Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be going through the process of foundation digging explained step by step, and it's going to be a guide for a strong and lasting building. So this works because most people don't really get it right when digging a foundation. So that's why I decided to bring this to the channel step by step. First, if you want to start a building, the block thickness should be multiplied into 3 to get your foundation trench. That is how you're going to do a proper digging and safety tips for a durable structure. You understand? So there are mistakes people make, like you want to dig a foundation for 2 to 5 millimeter, you'll be digging maybe 600 millimeter width. That is wrong. So if you are using a 2 to 5 millimeter block for your building, you will have to multiply the 2 to 5 millimeter times 3, which gives you 675 millimeter foundation width. And this is a 4-bedroom duplex, which means it's a story building, and the lowest foundation depth on a good land is 900 millimeter. So right here I bring to you a 2 to 5 millimeter block wall foundation, which is 675 millimeter by 900 millimeter depth. So please I'm going to explain properly how you're going to get it done. Then first of all, if you want to dig rightly, there are mistakes you have to avoid in digging your foundation. That is like all those topsoil. Make sure that whenever you dig a particular trench, don't make the mistake of using back the earth to fill it. Like, let's assume you were expecting to dig 900 millimeter and do your level transfer, you find out that what you have is above 900 millimeter. Don't use the soil to cover it up. Don't fill it back with the soil. What you have to do is use mixed with concrete to fill it up. Then after you're done with your foundation excavation, the next thing you should be thinking about, the next thing you should be planning for is level transfer. Level transfer is very important. It helps you determine the height of the concrete, the final height of the concrete. Like here, I'm going to be using a 2 to 5 millimeter foundation trench concrete cover and a 500 millimeter column cover. So that's what I'm going to be using in here. So please always take those things into notice, and don't play with your column. Your column depth should not be minimum of 300 millimeter. It shouldn't be minimum of 300 millimeters. So there are things you really need to consider when doing all this.